Good morning! Today we're at Mason Neck Park. Normally on Memorial Day weekend we would do a backpacking trip, but everything is really wet and muddy, so we're just going to be exploring a local park today, and maybe on Monday we'll hike Shenandoah. Enjoy the nature, enjoy the bird sounds, and James will be taking some good bird photos, hopefully.
Okay. Let's figure out which way to go.
What is the trail called? Woodmarsh.
Looks like this is it. To the Great Marsh.
Nature.
5.5 miles.
Cool.
You tracking?
Tracking now.
Bird of the day.
Do you think we're gonna hear one here?
They're pretty rare around here.
We are not in Baltimore, so slim chance.
You see some eagles?
Big mushroom. I have to be sneaky so I don't scare the birds.
Scared me instead.
Ninja activated. Stealth mode. Stalking prey. Shh. Lunchtime, vegetable kimbap, japchae, mugwort, rice cake, and an orange. You excited?
Oh yeah. Haven't had a picnic in a while.
Picnic time. Meal time. Wow. Oh, it's windy. We're at the beach. The Bay Beach. Hey, there's like little waves. I see white stuff. Almost the same. Very pretty. Can you guys see the army of turtles on the tree log? Look at them! So cute. Wow, it's windy. It's a little chilly. So many turtles in front of me. So many turtles. I don't think think Osmo can capture this, but there's two osprey across the marsh here. James is getting photos. Two big boys. And some bluebirds. Can you hear the ocean? Listen to it. Butterfly. And my butterfly. And the one is low coming, baby. The low might be better. This sounds like my water bottle when I close it and it has like too much pressure. Are you frogs? What the heck? Oh, it's whatever this little thing is, this bug. So it looks like a rock. That's a big turtle, and I just saw him move, so he's alive. And there's tiny little, I guess, frogs? There's a brown one.
Those are the guys that know.
Yeah, there's like a brown one and a green one. It blends in with the little petals on the frog, or on the turtle. They're so little. They're so loud. They got a lot to say. Oh, Mr. Osprey, I found your next meal. Look at this delicious fish. Nom nom nom. You all alone. Where's your friends? They get eaten? Careful. Enemies all around.
See the nest?
Oh wow, that's a big nest. Big bird. Little brother Christopher, I found a house for you. Christopher Robin. Can you fit in there?
No.
Yeah, you could. Squatting? Okay, just imagine you're in a squat and there's your shelter. So hollow. Baby, I see you. Bald eagle. Oh my god. Oh, that's so